driving my electric bike. I drive this thing. This is way more fun. Alright, so I just installed a Silber Racing, S-I-L-B-E-R, electric exhaust cutout pipe. I previously had this Cat Elite pipe on there. This one obviously has no cat. So I just have it temporarily hooked up to a battery. Here's the wiring harness. I'm going to do that tomorrow. It's getting kind of late tonight. But the switch has close and open. So when you want to make the neighbors angry, not that I really give two shits, or you want to shoot flame out of the thing at night, that's kind of cool too. Should be good. I still got to put all the heat shields back on and all that. Just took me 2 hours to remove the old Cat Elite pipe and put this thing on. And of course, fight with the springs to get those back on. Those are always fun. That turbo clamp thing is kind of dicey. Always seems like the bolt on the turbo clamp wants to snap, no matter how much lube you put on it. So, as soon as I make sure the wife's inside the house, I can start it up. Alright, looks like the coast is clear. I'm sure my phone has all kinds of sound balancing, muting capabilities, but I did notice when I had the pipe open there for a second, I can really hear the turbo, and that's kind of sweet. Reminds me of my 87 Grand National I had with the dump pipe on it, electric cutout. I used to ride around with that all the time open because all you could hear was a turbo spooling up and down. Anyway, that's it for now. Rochester Motorsports checking out on September 3rd, Labor Day weekend, 2021.